How to use Google Gemini to make slides. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, I'll suggest points for a presentation on the benefits of solar energy. As you can see, it gives you points like introduction, benefits, conclusion, and additional tips. If you don't like any of the paragraph, you can simply click on the paragraph, select it, copy it and paste it in the bar. After pasting it, simply write paraphrase it. Then it will paraphrase it for you. It will give you more information about the topic. You can also ask Gemini for the image for your slides. And that's how you use Gemini to make slides. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.